Hello and welcome to another composing trick video. Today we're creating a mystery theme. Don't forget, like and subscribe is always appreciated. Let's hear what we're going to write. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a harp and play a descending natural minor scale. Now I'm going to duplicate that, so I've got 6, and then copy the whole thing down to the Glock track and pop it up a couple of octaves. Now we're going to use some really high violin harmonics. Play around using chromatic movement to give it a sense of uneasiness. Now we're going to add the Celli, doing a similar chromatic movement, but don't make it the same as the violin harmonics. Then all you need to do is double that down to the basses. Now all you need to do is add a bit of a melody, maybe using horns for example. And that's it. We'll hear it again as an outro, but I'm just going to tidy things up a bit and give it a splash of colour. Don't forget, like and subscribe, always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.